love coming to Vegas. The vibe is awesome. There's a buzz around it. Everything is centrally located, so it doesn't take you a lot of time to walk around all of the buildings like some of the other markets do. It's great to network and meet other designers, and it's just a quick trip from California.
I had no idea how many vendors were here and how large the stores were, and it's just exciting.
It's fun, for one. There's so many great industry events, so many educational things that are happening here that the programming that you don't see at other markets. I get to see a lot of my West Coast friends over here, and the vendors, a lot of vendors that manufacture on the West Coast show here that don't show at other markets in the world.
I just love to see the product in person. That way I know I've seen it, I know what it looks like, I can touch it if I want to, I can see the size.
I like coming here because I can touch and feel everything, and it's so nice to be able to tell my client that I saw it and it looks good. They have everything from accessories to furniture, so it makes it really easy because it's close to me and it's a one-stop shop, and I can go back and take pictures and look through things in order. So it's really easy.
It's really quick for me to get here. I live in southern Idaho. I can hop on the plane and be down here in about 3.5 hours, so it's really convenient and quick. We didn't leave until 6:30 last night. We were here by 9:30, checked in by 10 o'clock. It's great.
On top of the great product, the beautiful showrooms, the interconnected buildings to make it easy to get around and to find product and to source new product, what I love is the fact that I get to stay in a gorgeous hotel and I get to go to wonderful shows and eat in world-class restaurants and world-class shopping. Everything happens in Vegas, and so I can be busy all day long and still know that I'm gonna have a great time tonight and be back here again tomorrow morning.
We love to come here. The excitement, there's a great vibe in this building, lots and lots of people. Good way to see friends from different organizations, our peer group, and also just kind of the best of the best from a manufacturing standpoint. Lots of really great suppliers.
I love Las Vegas market because it's very entertaining. It makes you feel at home wherever you walk. There's food, there are drinks, and you feel welcomed here, and I love that. I've been coming here for more than 20 years now, first as a buyer and now as an exhibitor, so I love it.
The diversity of products that are available. It is tabletop, it's fashion, it's home decor, personal accessories, jewelry, and kids' toys. It's on and on.
We love to come to Las Vegas because, first of all, the hospitality is phenomenal, and they're so organized. It was so wonderful to be able to have the scan and go registration the first day, scan and immediately get in here. The buses, the shuttles have been great. They're on time. They're organized. I mean, it's just wonderful to have someone out there waiting for you to get you on the bus. And then just here at Market, everyone is so friendly.
Hey, it's Vegas, baby.